What's going on, guys? This video is just gonna be some drone shots for this week because I'm sick. I'm getting better, but I'm still a little bit sick. I just don't really have the energy to film or edit the whole video, so I'm just gonna use some drone shots and put some music over them, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. So I do have quite a few drone shots. I went out and actually got some just like an hour ago, and I also have some other drone shots that I've been meaning to use for videos that I just didn't put in there for whatever reason. So I've got I've got plenty of drone shots. So hopefully you guys enjoy. It's not gonna be too anything really probably that interesting, just some drone shots. But next week I hope on having an actual better video out than just drone shots. So hopefully you guys enjoy this one.